Good morning, my dear students. Today in this session we start with grammar, that is lesson number 9. Name of the lesson is verbs, the past tense. Present tense we had learned, now we go to the past tense. Verbs in the past tense talk about completed actions. Past tense has 4 forms: simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. Simple past tense is used to show an action that took place at a certain time in the past. You can see over here the structure of affirmative, negative and interrogative. Subject plus past form of verb affirmative, subject plus didn't plus present form of the verb is negative, did plus subject plus present form of the verb is interrogative. Past continuous tense is used to show an action that was taken place at a certain time in the past, not now. It had been already, action had been done in the past. To show an action that was taking place at a certain time when another action happened. Past continuous tense is used to show two actions that were taking place at the same time in the past. Again, you can see over here the past continuous tense structure is given: subject plus was or were. If it is singular, then was. If it is plural, then were, plus verb plus ing in affirmative sentence. Subject plus wasn't, singular, weren't when it is plural, plus verb plus ing in the negative form when you make a negative sentence, and was or were plus subject plus verb plus ing in interrogative sentences. For example, you can see a negative form of the simple past with didn't and verb. One example I will give you: people in the olden days had a difficult life. They did not have comfortable life. Didn't with verb have. Maratha was giving a speech on stage for the first time, but she did not feel nervous. Did not, negative, did not feel nervous. Past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. What do you mean by the past perfect tense? It is used while talking about two actions in the past to indicate the earlier of the two actions. It is formed in this way. See children, had plus past participle. Whereas past perfect continuous tense is used to talk about an action which had been in progress before another. It is formed in this way: had been plus verb plus ing. I will give you the example of past perfect earlier action with the simple past later action, two actions together. The bus had left before we reached the bus station. Leave and reach are the two verbs, actions. Amina felt ill because she had eaten a lot at the party. Feel and eat. Felt. We had planned everything before we left for the trip. Before we left for the trip. Now you can see over here the negative form of the past perfect tense. Hadn't plus past participle form of the verb. I wish I hadn't spoken to her like that. Not and speak. Two were the brackets given. Hadn't, had not spoken. We went to the station by the train. Hadn't, but the train hadn't arrived on the platform. He was very tired because he hadn't slept well. Negative form of past perfect tense. Now past perfect continuous tense. We had been driving for more than 4 hours before we found a small hotel. Had been, I already gave you the format. Had been with verb with ing form. The police had been investigating the case before they finally caught the criminal. Investigate is the verb with ing form. He was out of breath because he had been running for an hour. Run with ing form, had been.